to advance. Today I would like to show you, I would like to learn you how to use continue statements in JavaScript with explanation and with one example. I create for you in this tutorial one example with where I will show you how to use continue statements in JavaScript. Okay, firstly I would like to say you what represent this continue, this word continue in JavaScript, and what is this continue statement in JavaScript when is used. This continue is used to skip the current iteration of a loop and move to the next one. Okay, if you want to skip a item in an iteration, you put a condition now and add this continue who help you to pass this item. It help control the flow of loop by passing the remaining code in the loop for certain conditions. You use it inside of loop like for while or do while. Also in switch case you can put this continue. Here I have an HTML with a table. In first part of my code I have CSS part now who make my page to look nice. I have here the color, the diverse aspects, background, and I don't know other font size and font and other aspects, property attribute of CSS. And in HTML I have this table. Do you see here tag table, and inside this table I have for column, brand, model, year, color. Okay, for today I want to use JavaScript and I want to take for this object. I have here an array of objects, array of cars with details, no? For why I know that this is array, because have these square brackets, and inside have objects. From where I know that there is object because I have curly brackets, and I have an array with 1 2 3 4 5 6 objects. I have an array with 6 objects. I have an array of objects. Okay, and I want to iterate through it, this array, and I want to display just the black car. If you see here this property color key black value, color key black value, color key black red value, color key black value, color is the key, and white value here again black. Okay, but how should to do for display just the cars with black colors? It's clearly that should to iterate through array. I want to iterate through this array, that array, and I want to display just element, just items with color black. Okay, for this should to use of course JavaScript. Here I have a variable where I take the element where car will be inserted now in my table. This is the table. Where is the table? Here car list. Here car data will be inserted in this the body. And now should to iterate through this cars array and display just cars with black colors. And for this I use a for of, because I have an array, it's simple to use for of, a for of loop for let car of cars. The syntax is for let current element of array, item of array, key of array, doesn't matter. Okay, and I put here a condition: if car.color is different than black, that means if the color of car is not black, that means the color is not black. I have just two, no, white and red. I have two elements. Now continue. If color is not black, ignore them. If car.color is not black, ignore them. That means continue. Ignore them. Pass over them. Ignore them. That means continue. Ignore them. Pass over them that are not black. No, skip them. Okay, and here I have one explication. We have a condition, I say, which check if the color of the car is not black. No, car.color different, because I have this negation sign, black. Car color is not black, is a comparison. And the car color is not black, I have true, and I will execute this part of my function, no? Because it's inside of if. Inside of if I execute just if the condition is true, and if the car color is not black, is true, and I execute. Okay, if the condition is true, the continue will be executed. I say that the continue will be executed, which cause the loop to jump to the next element in the cars array. Okay, and now let me to analyze this array. I have here a for of who iterate through this cars array, and I put the condition if cars.color is different of black, continue in statements. And in first iteration, my loop check this object and reach on this part, say black, it's okay, it's black. That means the condition is not true, and don't execute continue, remain. After a second iteration, check again, see color is black, my loop, and don't execute my condition because it's false. I have in condition if car color is different of black, or is not, my color is black for second car. For 3 car, number 3 are it's red. Okay, browser see that, and the loop reach in this zone, and now check the condition. If car.color is different of black, car.color on my 3 object is different. Okay, that means I have the condition true. If the condition is true, a mandatory will be executed this continue for my statements, and I have continued, that will skip this object. And I have in table till now first black, second black, skip red, here reach and display this because the condition is false. After this color white, check is different of black, is different, that's mean I will skip it because I put here continue. Continue is for skip this part of code, and here will display because is black. Okay, after this I put here again another condition with if car.year is greater than 2020. That means when iteration come here, check just part with year and take just the cars that are in value of year greater of 2020, and I have just 3. Let me to check 3 value. 1 color black 2, color black 2. Normally, let me to check here. Okay, check if the car is newer than or equal 20 or equal, sorry, or equal. I have here equal, I have this, that means I have 4 car. If it matches, create a new table, and here I create an HTML with this interpolate method, and I take car.brand, car.model, car.year, and car.color. All this HTML I will assign to a variable, let row, and after this I will display this variable, and I append it to car list. I have here car list in the first part, this where I display, no, where is the body, acum now here will be displayed the result. Let's see the result. We have now 1, 2, 3 element with black color, and here 2 seconds because I see a problem here, because I want it's equal or equal, car.year is greater or equal 2020. Maybe it's not black, this car were made in 2020. Let me to see, to check the object. Okay, 2020 I have here, yes, is white, and don't display it. Okay, and my conditions, I have 2 condition in this 4. First condition, if color car is not black, skip the item, and second, if car is made is greater than 2020, display this. Okay, that was all for today. This is the continue statement in JavaScript. It's help you. It's a good approach to use it when you iterate through object. For example, when you should to take just certain values or certain properties. All the best. Have a nice day. Don't forget to practice in each day. More you practice, more you better become. All the best.